Good morning, students. As you know, we are discussing about combination of resistance, and we learn about two types of combination. Resistances are R1, R2 and R3. If current is same as like I for all, but potential will different, that is called series combination, and RS is equal to, you better know formula, R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is called series combination. And if resistances are combined as like this, total current was I, it divide into the ratio of resistance. Resistances are R1, R2 and what? R3. Currents are I1, I2 and what? I3. Here potential was difference. That potential was V1, V2, V3. In series combination, potential is different but current is same. Here potential is same for all. Potential V is same for all, but current is different, and the formula is 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. This is the briefing about series combination and parallel combination, because we are now going through numericals. So keep in mind, if you notice that current is same for all, directly you will apply the formula of series combination. If you notice that current is dividing, directly you will apply the formula of what? Parallel combination. Okay. Now we will do some numericals. Okay. Let's suppose a question is given as like this. Little hard question. This is mixed combination, and I ask find the resistance between A and B. Okay. So first you will start from here. 4 and 4, they are connected in parallel. You better know, because currents divide, they are in parallel. So in parallel combination, it become 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. It become 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by R. So R is equal to 2 ohm. That calculation become 2 ohm. Now you compress the diagram, you will get another diagram for you. This become 2 ohm. That is given 2. That is given 4, and again here given 2. You will make many diagram, then it will become very easier. 4, 4, it become 2. This is 2 ohm. This is 4 ohm. This is 2 ohm. Again, okay. This is point A and this is point B. Now, since 2 and 2 are connected in series, okay. So 2 plus 2, again you will get 4 ohm. Now again make another diagram. You will solve the answer by diagram. Okay, this is the substitute diagram for this. 2, 2, 4, it become 4. This is 4 and this is 2, and resistance between A and B. Another point. Okay, this 4 and 4, they are connected in parallel, and you better know 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Again it become what? 2. So new diagram you will get. I am trying to solve by this diagram. 4, 4 become 2. This is already 2. And point A and point B, and last answer. 2 and 2 are connected in series, so its answer will be 4 ohm. So resistance between A and B is 4 ohm. That was the question. 4, 4, 2, 2 and 2, 2 and 2. This is 4, this is 2. We will do one by one, okay? And you will solve by the diagram method. It become very easier. Critical question you can solve very easy way, okay? Then 2, 2, 4, don't do 2 and 4. This is wrong method. First you confirm them. 2 and 2, 4, 4, 4, 2. Again 4 and 4 are connected in parallel because current divides. So 4 and 4 become 2 and 2, and 2 and 2 are in series, it become 4. So answer of A and B resistance become 4 ohm. Points are very important. Point was A and B. Okay. So this is the first question based on classification of resistance, how you solve parallel series, parallel series. Okay. Now this question, it suppose this question is given to you as like this, this will confirm the concept. This is, let's suppose this is given 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, and I ask find the resistance between AB and AC. Points are very important. First between AB, second between AC. They are the questions. Okay. First, between AB. When you solve between AB, you have to go from A to B. Let's suppose this current is I. One current go through this way. This is I1, and that current is what? I2. Your journey will start from A to B. So don't mind C. When you are talking about A to B, don't count C. Okay, na? So A to B, one current will drawn directly A to B, and another through this way. No doubt, current A, when you move from that way A to B, all resistances are connected in series. So 2, 2, 2. So it become 2 plus 2 plus 2. It becomes 6, and it is 2 ohm, and that current is what I. Now 6 and 2, they are in parallel. 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon R. 1 upon R is equal to, LCM is 6. 1 plus 3, it's equal to 4 by 6. So R, inverse it. R is equal to 6 by 4. So it become what? 3 by 2. So resistance between A and B is 3 by 2. Once again, our aim is from A to B. So A to B, your journey will start from A and end at B. First, this is the first path A to B. This is the second path from A to B. All are in series. 2, 2, 2. It becomes 6 and 2. They are in parallel. 1 by 6, 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by R. So directly you can get answer 3 by 2. Okay. So this is first. For same diagram, if I ask find the resistance between A to C. See there, for same diagram we are getting two answers because points are different. Let's suppose our question is from A to C. Your journey will start from A and end at C. So A to C, don't mind B now. Okay, B is not counted. So A to C, that 2 and 2 in series, it become 4 ohm. Again 2 and 2 in series, it become 4 ohm. Okay. This is point A, this is point C, and 4 and 4 are in parallel. No doubt 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. So R is equal to 2 ohm. See there, if points are different, answer will different. Between A and B, it is 3 by 2. Between A and C, it become what? How much ohm? 2 ohm. Okay. This is the conceptual question for combination of resistance. We can assume some more questions. Let's suppose the question is given as like this. Between AB, let's suppose this question is given as like 2, 2, 2, 6 and what? 3. And I ask find the resistance between A and B. So you will start from opposite direction. See there, all 3 are connected in series. So 2, 2, 2, it becomes 6, 6. That is already given 6. And this is given 3. Okay. Between A and what? B. 2, 2, 2 is series, 6, 6, 3, and now 3, 6, 6 are in parallel. So you will join 1 upon R is equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3. Now you can get the answer. This is another question for you. One more question. Okay, are you getting the? So let's suppose another question is given as like this. This is based on open circuit and ask A, B, C, D. And IS, this will confirm you everything. Let us suppose all resistances are R. This is a highly conceptual question. And I ask find the resistance between AB, between AD, and between what? AC. We will do one by one, and this will confirm you everywhere. Okay. Now for AB, A and B, these are the point. So for AB, C and D are in open circuit. They are in open circuit. No current will drawn through open circuit. So our resistance will start from here. So our diagram become this. They are in open circuit for A and B. Okay. This is for A and B. This is R, 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 R. Okay. They are in series. It become R in series, 3R. This is R in and this is R and this is R. Between what? A and B. Now R and 3 are in parallel. So it become 1 by R plus 1 by 3R. LCM is 3R. 3 plus 1. So it become 3R by 4. That calculation become 3R by 4. So our new diagram is here. 3R by 4. And this is the value of what? R. This is point A and B. Now all are in series. Now all are in series. So it become R plus 3R by 4. LCM is 4. It become 4R plus 3R. 4R for 8R, 3R. It become 11R by 4. So answer become 11R. Once again, between A and B, C and D are in open circuit. So cancel out. 3 are in series. They are in parallel. Then series, and you will get 11R by 4. Okay. For AC, if you are thinking about AC, one more question. If you are thinking about AC, okay. If you are thinking about A, B, C, D, this is resistance R. Okay. So your journey will start from A to C. Okay. So this way, this is in open circuit. This is in open circuit. So no doubt they are in series. It become 2R. They are in series. It become 2R, and 2R in parallel. 1 by 2R become R. So you will get R, and R, and answer become what? 3R. Okay. Now you find out the value of between resistance between AD. They will be in open circuit. They are in series. They are in parallel, and they are in series. In this way, this is the homework for you. Now you can find the value between A and D. So this is all about your combination of resistance.